There's a Pak plot that's nailed again. India Today, once again accessing exclusive audio conversation between security personnel and slain Lashkar terrorist Abu Dujana moments before he was neutralized. And here's where he's confessing to the entire Pakistan terror plot. Take a listen.
हेलो। हाँ दुजाना,
क्या हाल है?
हाँ
क्या हाल है?
हमारे हाल तो छोड़ तू क्यों सरेंडर क्यों नहीं करता?
कहाँ करूँ सरेंडर है दोस्त?
अरे ठीक है, वो जो निकले थे तो निकले थे, तेरे को तो पता है ना अभी क्या है, सब खराब है, ये गेम है सब।
मैं क्या करूँ, इसको गेम खेलना खेला, मुझे अपना रास्ता लेना देना है।
तेरे को था उसे तू करना, तू अपनी सोच यार, तू तेरे माँ बाप हैं बाहर यार, पार।
माँ बाप उस दिन मर गया जितने उनको छोड़ के आया।
अरे यार उनके लिए तू थोड़ी ना मरा है, तू नहीं मरा उनके लिए। मैं तू तैयार हो, मैं करवाऊंगा, मैं कब बोल रहा हूँ, यही तो है। और ये गेम अब खत्म ही कर दे यार, इसको ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
कभी आप आगे हम पीछे, कभी आप पीछे हम आगे, चलो यार आपने पकड़ लिया, मुबारक हो आपको।
नहीं देख, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, तेरी अपना काम था, तू अपने फर्ज पे निकला था, हम अपने फर्ज पे निकले हैं। देख ये लोग भी मारे जाएंगे, इनको पार से छोड़ेंगे नहीं इसी चीज में, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है।
पीछे कभी आप पीछे हम आगे, चलो
यार
आपने पकड़ लिया, मुबारक हो आपको।
नहीं देख, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, तेरी अपना काम था, तू अपने फर्ज पे निकला था, हम अपने फर्ज पे निकले हैं। देख ये लोग भी मारे जाएंगे, इनको पार से छोड़ेंगे नहीं इसी चीज में, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। चल देख यार, देख कोई ऐसा कुछ नहीं है हमारे लिए, हमने कोई तेरे लिए बहुत दुश्मनी नहीं, तू कर सरेंडर।
जो मेरे किस्मत में लिखा होगा अल्लाह वही करेगा, ठीक है?
देख अल्लाह तो साथ देगा ही देगा यार, जो भी है वो थोड़ी पूरा उसने वो हमारे लिए भी एक ही है।
सच बात है, वो तो आपके लिए भी मेरे लिए भी एक ही है।
बिल्कुल यार, सुन मेरी बात भाई, तूने शादी की है उससे यार, लड़की से?
मैंने कोई शादी बात नहीं की, सब झूठ है, एक मतलब प्रोपेगेंडा है। शादी बात मुझे किसी कोई शादी बात नहीं की।
तुम खुद आ जाओ ना, ये खुद पहले बहन को या मदर को निकलवा।
मदर कहाँ है?
अच्छा तो बहन को निकलवा। और भी कौन लेडीज कौन है?
बस बहन और भाई 3 और एक मेहमान है,
अंदर ही है। और मेहमान
में बूढ़ा बेचारा मुसाफिर है।
बूढ़ा है कोई? तो उस बूढ़े को भेजो पहले बाहर, फिर या तो अपनी सिस्टर को तो भेज, उसको बोल अपनी सिस्टर को भेज, इसको भेजेगा पहले, जब ये आएगी अकेले भेज इसको, पर नहीं तो भेजेगा वो
उसको कैसे भेजेगा सर, ये तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो।
तो सब पता है यहाँ पे क्या गेम है, तो सब जान चुका है।
मुझे सब पता है, मुझे A to Z पता है क्या है, कौन क्या गेम है, क्या मतलब सिस्टम क्या है, सब कुछ मुझे पता है।
तो फिर देख, तुझे भी तो पता है कि ये जिहाद नहीं है, लोग निकले जिहाद के लिए, पर ये जिहाद नहीं है ना यार।
चलो यार क्या करेंगे।
तो फिर देख, फिर तुम निकलो यार, तुम ही लोगों को समझाओगे तभी तो खून खराबा कम होगा। तुम लोग नहीं बताओगे तो फिर कौन मानेगा यहाँ पे?
पता मैंने कैसे खून खराबा की नहीं कर, इसमें क्या है?
देख वही
मुझे जानते हैं, वो उनको पता ही है।
मुझे मालूम है यार, मुझे मालूम है, मुझे अच्छे से पता है। पर तू जब देख, तू खड़ा होगा, तू बताएगा यार, तू मेन कमांडर है बड़ा, बताएगा तो ये चीज है, चीजें सामने होंगी यार लोगों के। यहाँ तो कश्मीरी मरते रहेंगे यार, कश्मीरी मरते रहेंगे भाई। हाँ
अच्छा ठीक है यार,
देख यार भाई, देख तू कर कुछ, तू बोल, बना अपना माइंड।
Dujana tapes are India Today exclusive. Ashraf Bani and Kamaljeet joining us on this broadcast as well. Ashraf, first coming to you. It just shows that how Pakistan brainwashes young. And also what one could hear is that how the Indian army is asking him to surrender. And what he believes is a path of jihad is actually murder of Kashmiris themselves. More details on how now the Pakistan plot is revealed, is spilled out on this tape.
Divna, basically this is not the first time when these kinds of attempts were carried out by the security agencies in the Kashmir Valley. You may remember last year there was an encounter in the Avantipora area where a local Lashkar militant was holed up inside the house. His family was brought in. The 4-month-old child was also brought near the encounter site, and he was asked on the loudspeaker by his wife. Even she begged for that militant to come out for his family, but he refused, and it clearly shows and indicates the level of the doctrinate, the level of the jihadis in the Kashmir Valley, which is completely different what it was in the 90s when this whole militancy started in the Kashmir Valley. Then if you could have provided such kind of chance to any jihadi, he could have come out and surrendered, but not now, and that is something challenging for the security agencies as well as for the police. And more the jihadis who are coming in the Kashmir, who are joining the militant ranks across the Kashmir Valley, are much motivated. They did not want to give up, and the level of these youths are being indoctrinated is anyhow and at any level very much disturbing, not only for the society here in the Kashmir Valley, but even for the security agencies and the government too.
All right, Ashraf, be with me because you made a very important point. It's not the first time that these kind of confessions from terrorists has come to light. In fact, we've earlier also seen terrorists who were caught alive revealing that how they're trained in Pakistan, how it's the ISI which is behind the proxy war being held in India. And Kamaljeet, here is the big question now. How is the Indian government going to confront Pakistan with this fresh proof?
Well, Pakistan in its own has not taken any admission that Dujana actually belonged to either POK or Pakistan. For that matter, remember the Pakistan High Commissioner denied that there was any approach by the Jammu Kashmir police. But what is more important is that Dujana, who had come only at a time when he was 16 and managed to evade security forces for almost 9 years, speak volume about the sort of ranking that he had within Lashkar. But in his last few days itself, he was sidelined by Lashkar. Abu Ismail had replaced him. What is also important is once they cross over, usually the shelf life of a terrorist is 1 to 2 years, but Dujana actually changed the equation for surviving after so long. But remember, his disconnect with Pakistan also happened during the period. Unlike other Pakistani commanders, he is very well entrenched within Kashmir Valley itself, even marrying a local Rubaiya. What is important is that after some time he obviously developed a tiff with his masterminds in POK, and that's where he was sidelined and eventually caught and killed. Now specifically speaking about the Pakistan connection, and you would hear it in the video itself where the army officer clearly says that that your parents would be worried. So he says, my parents, I was dead the moment I walked out of my house, but he continues to persuade him, saying, for your parents you're not dead, you're alive. So yes, there is this undeniable fact that terrorists are being pushed in from Pakistan, whether it's about financial training, whether it is about guns training, whether it is about motivation. So yes, they are highly motivated, but the other part is about their survivability. That continues to be a huge threat for security forces. But as we've seen in the past 2 months or so, I mean 117 and today it should be crossing over to around 120 militants killed in South Kashmir itself. That speaks the volume of dedication even of the armed forces. One must remember this is something which is of a long haul, and remember it's a 3-decade-long militancy and new challenges keep coming in. But for Pakistan to deny, and that is why Dujana was buried in Shiri Baramulla, he was not sent back to Pakistan. They never admitted that he was a Pakistani man. So in that sense, Pakistan's undeniable.
He does say that I left my parents back home in Pakistan, refuses to surrender as well. Here are the key takeaways from Abu Dujana's conversation. Point number 1, he says that I left my parents behind in Pakistan. Point number 2, he says that I have not married any local girl. And point number 3, even after repeated attempts by the Indian forces asking him to surrender, he refuses to do so. Take a listen again.
Hello. हाँ दुजाना
क्या हाल है?
हाँ
क्या हाल है?
हमारे हाल तो छोड़ तू क्यों सरेंडर क्यों नहीं करता?
कहाँ करूँगा सरेंडर है दोस्त?
अरे ठीक है, वो जो निकले थे तो निकले थे, तेरे को तो पता है ना अभी क्या है, सब खराब है, ये गेम है सब।
मैं क्या करूँ, इसको गेम खेलना खेला, मुझे अपना रास्ता लेना देना है।
तेरे को था उसे तू करना, तू अपनी सोच यार, तू तेरे माँ बाप हैं बाहर यार, पार।
माँ बाप मुझे उस दिन मार के जिस दिन उनको छोड़ के आया।
अरे यार उनके लिए तू थोड़ी ना मरा है। तू नहीं मरा उनके लिए। तू तैयार हो, मैं करवाऊंगा, मैं कब बोल रहा हूँ। यही तो है, और ये गेम अब खत्म ही कर दे यार इसको, ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
कभी आप आगे हम पीछे, कभी आप पीछे हम आगे, चलो यार आपने पकड़ लिया, मुबारक हो आपको।
नहीं देख, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, तेरी अपना काम था, तू अपने फर्ज पे निकला था, हम अपने फर्ज पे निकले हैं। देख ये लोग भी मारे जाएंगे, इनको पार से छोड़ेंगे नहीं इसी चीज में, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है।
Now we also get you the exclusive story of what's behind Abu Dujana's subsequent trapping, and then he was being killed by the security forces. Here's how Munir Khan, who's the Inspector General of Jammu and Kashmir Police, was able to track him down. Take a look at a similar modus operandi which the Jammu and Kashmir security forces have used to track down Burhan Wani and also now Abu Dujana.
First, terrorist Burhan Wani, then terrorist Sabzar Ahmed, and now terrorist Abu Dujana. All tracked and neutralized when they were visiting either their wives or girlfriends. In Pakistani terrorist Abu Dujana's case, he had several girlfriends, and if the Jammu and Kashmir police are to be believed, he would forcibly enter their homes in South Kashmir and target women.
It was his sweet will now to enter any house and do whatever he wanted to do. Good riddance that way. I think people should relax, the girls, our sisters, they should relax now.
Abu Dujana was visiting his wife in village Hakripura when, according to sources, another woman allegedly exploited by Dujana shared details of his movement with the security forces. Dujana has learned to have exploited several young women in villages of South Kashmir.
So he was more of only enjoying himself here, जिसको हम कहते हैं ना कि वो अयाशी कर रहा था यहाँ पर. He was largely only a nuisance. That's the way I look at it.
Dujana was not the only one. Burhan Wani was rumoured to have several women companions and was neutralized by security forces during one such late-night rendezvous.
जहाँ तक सूचनाएं मिली हैं, ये सब नौजवान लड़के हैं जो टेररिस्ट बने हैं, सबका इमेज है इनका, और तो लड़कियां इंप्रेस हो जाती हैं, तो कई लड़कियों से इनके संपर्क रहते हैं.
Terrorists use social media to circulate images and videos with weapons to impress girls. They also try and create a Robin Hood-like image, claiming they help the local people. But as surrendered terrorist Danish Ahmed told his interrogators, their aim of picking up the gun is not azadi, but to impress girls. With Jitendra Bahadur Singh, Bureau Report, India Today.